Hey guys, what's up? It's Shaniiee Renee and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This video is a Burlington Come Shop With Me Spring Edition. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. You already know how it goes. If you are new to my channel, I want to say welcome. Go ahead and subscribe if you like these types of videos. If you are old, then you already know I am just opening up this video with an introduction, and I'm going to let the music play and let you guys just browse and basically enjoy the items that I'm showing to you guys. These are new items that are at my local Burlington. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna stop rambling and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it, fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Fuck how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill. The space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave.
No, I really can't complain. Everything been straight. I've been on the wave. When everything I say turn into the real thing. I tell her run it up, cause you know it ain't a thing. We made it out the slums with the words on the page. Everything been straight. I've been on the wave. When everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous. Like I don't show my face, unless I'm jumping on the stage. Like I'm living in a daydream. Lost in imagination. She only want me when she fake. She quick to tell me I'm her favorite. She ain't told no lie, she love it when I catch my cadence. She gone off the deep end, pull up every weekend. I hate to let her down, but I'm in a fast life, so you never slowing me down. Heart rate dropping like you don't sleep well. How you switch up, you always help me down. Wonder why I turn into a cold of me now. It could be worse, right? I got where I'm at without no work-life balance. You tell me that it's love, but I'm knowing that it's malice. Squad with me, God, cut us from the same fabric. No, I really can't complain, yeah. Everything is straight, I've been on the wave, but everything I say turn into the real thing. Tell them run it up, now you know it ain't a thing. We made it out of Psalms with the words on the page. Now everything is straight, I've been on the wave, but everything I'm saying turn into the real thing.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love, cool down, my love, yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now, now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry, chemistry. We got something special. But you want the whole world. Cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now, now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry, chemistry. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? No, I can't let you go. No, I don't. No, I don't. Yeah. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry, chemistry.
Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up real nice. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her to sign now. I'm a